Hello to my beautiful Tia King and Queens. Welcome back to a new video. So as I can already tell by that title, I don't know if y'all watched the mukbang one where I said I was going to, is my lip bleeding? Oh, well I said I was going to be getting a fetal Doppler, which I've had this for a couple weeks now. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to use my fetal Doppler, and I freaking love it. So I got this one. Baby Doppler. That's actually the website as well. It's called babydoppler.com. They have a pink one, they have the blue one, and they have a red one. So, yeah, obviously I got the pink one. But yeah, I don't use this every day. Because I don't know. Some people say it's not safe to use every day. So I don't use it every day. But I feel her moving, so I don't have to use it. I just got it in the beginning because you know, mom brain, you get nervous, you get scared. But yeah, I got this. I believe I was like 15 weeks, 15, 16 weeks when I got it. Because some people say you can't hear the heartbeat through this if you're early. And then I'll be watching videos and they be like, oh, I'm 9 weeks using a fetal Doppler. So I don't know, y'all. But I got this. I was like I was like around 15 to 16 weeks when I got this. And yeah, it just looks like that. It comes with batteries, so looks like this. And it says supposed to be pink, but this looks more purple. But yeah, and then it also comes with the gel you put on your belly, or you can put it on here. So yeah, it picks up baby sound tracker, easy to use, instantly hears baby sounds, and molten speaker. I said molten, built-in speaker. I need a nap, y'all. But yeah, so I absolutely love it, love it, love it. And then it's gonna come like this. This is what you put on your belly, and it just detaches, and it just attaches back. This is very easy. It comes with, like I said, it comes with batteries, all that. So yeah, we're going to have to hear me go video because I don't really think I have that much storage. So yeah, a lot of people use like a ton load of this, y'all. I do not. This is all I use, literally. That right, hold on, I'm going to show you. They say dime size, and that's, some people go overboard. But I literally just, did I wipe it off? Oh no, I literally just use, I'm trying to see, hold on. I literally just use this. And half of it still be on my stomach when I get done. Because I don't leave this on my stomach for too long. I just hear and I'll take it off. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys. So she's still pretty low. So I still have to do it very, very low. But yeah, let me go ahead and get sorted out, y'all. Put this camera down and stuff y'all can see. And yeah. Okay. So this side, do I just lay down? I prop up just a little bit because it's hard for me to hear. And she's still low. Like, I can't hear up here. She low. Well, not with one of these anyway. The doctor one, they use it up here and they can hear. But with these, you have to do it like pretty low. I used to not be able to. It used to take me forever, y'all, to get her heartbeat. But now I get it pretty fast. So that's a good thing. So we're going to just bring this down just a little bit. And then you just push that middle button like that. What y'all see? It's not getting focused on it, y'all. Hold on. Right now it's nothing. It says this, but it's nothing. So we're gonna turn it up. Sorry, now you hear nothing. So I'm gonna put it very low. She used to be in the middle, y'all. Now let's see. She was just moving. Y'all hear that? She moving. So. She moving from that spot. So it's not as hard to find her now. She just moving around. So not really her. That's why I'm be taking it. It used to be fast, y'all, but it still is faster than what it was before, y'all. Literally. I don't know if I can see that, but yeah, my little butt want to move today. And she moving a lot, y'all. I just had my ultrasound, y'all, and her little butt's head down. Let's see. She moving, y'all, literally. How you see her just disappeared that fast? But yeah, that's her little butt, y'all. She moving because I can feel her. She want me to leave her alone. So I'm about to just leave her alone. And I'm gonna wipe this stuff off of me, y'all. But I'm getting bigger though, okay? I'm getting pretty big. But yeah, she literally head down. Like, I feel her little feet up here. So yeah. Let me clean this off. And yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that little video of me checking her, and my stomach is hurting. I don't really do it too often because she don't like when I, well, who do? Well, baby, really like just messing with them. But y'all really don't use it that often. I just let her relax, do her thing in there. But yeah, from time to time, I will check her. And yeah, oh yeah, the price, this is cheap. This is like 56 bucks. It was shipping free, so that was a good deal. If y'all want to get one, go ahead and get one. I like it personally. I really do like it. They got so many different kinds of fetal Dopplers out there. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any of the videos ideas I should do. The next video I'll do probably be like a baby update when I went to my last appointment. So yeah, you guys, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.